In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename Windows 10 User in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is useful if you've received a computer from someone else, set up the account with the wrong name, or just want to personalize your system. The process is quick and doesn't require any technical experience. To begin, go to the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen, type Control Panel, and press Enter. When the Control Panel opens, you'll see several system options. Look for User Accounts and click on it. On the next screen, click User Accounts again. This takes you to the main account settings where you can make changes to your profile. Here, you'll see different options related to your account. Now, find and click the option that says Change Your Account Name. A text box will appear where you can type the new name you want to use. Choose a name that's easy to recognize, especially if more than one person uses the computer. After typing the new name, click the Change Name button to save it. Windows will instantly update the display name across the system, including the login screen and account settings. Keep in mind, this change updates the display name only. It does not change the actual user folder name inside system files. For most users, this display name change is all that's needed. To double-check, you can close the control panel and open it again. You should now see your new account name displayed. And that's how to rename Windows 10 User. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.